how you can attract people to events like a webinar, for example. Again, I prepared a dummy page, but let me first close all the extra stuff here so that it doesn't drive our attention away. So let's take a look at the pages. Attract people to events right here. Let's publish it. Let's take a look at it. It's basically just the same page. And then let's insert a form here, which will get emails from people. And here's where we would hypothetically get signups for a webinar. So to do that, we're using Visual Composer here. So let's add a title first. And let's say sign up for the webinar, or join the webinar, something along those lines. Let's capitalize, let's select white color, let's use bolder font weight, let's use pretty good font size. So save changes. Now we also need to create a form. So let's go to forms. Let's go to add new. We'll call this webinar signups. We will capture just an email. We can have it set to 400 pixels. Let's put it to center. Let's use a form background to catch attention. Let's use red buttons because red buttons have proven to create an effect of urgency. For the arrow, let's use red. For confirmation, let's use white. Thank you for joining. We will say to those who sign up, confirmation email has been sent to your email. Let's just say confirmation has been sent. Let's actually just say check your email and add event to your calendar. It's very much advised to include calendar widgets to your emails. And I will show you how to set it up in just a second. All right, we will of course want to create an email list. We will want to send mail to user, and the drill is the same here. You specify your email. Let's say welcome to the webinar, and you specify your website or your company name, and then here we put thank you for signing up for the webinar. See you soon. Please add it to your calendar so you don't miss it. I will show you how. There is a very handy website called addtocalendar.com. you just scroll down, and here for the email, just fill in the form. So it uses American format, so month goes first, and then goes the date. So let's say we want it to be on August the 1st, and we want it to be at 18, and it will finish, you can just copy from here, and it will finish at 19. And you select the time zone you want. Let's just select anything for now. Well, not anything. I prefer London time because it's the most basic time. Not sure I can find it though. Here. And you specify your title, amazing webinar, and your description if you want. And you put yourself as an organizer, for example, and press update, and press copy. It gets copied to your clipboard, and then just paste it here. Take a look at the visual part. Create something like this. And of course, I would paste your branding elements. Let's just use full size. Fine. And then let's take a look. Well, we can tweak things later anyway. So let's create some padding for our form. And border. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Well, actually, let's put to 0. And font field background color. This is fine. And let's save. And let's put the form to our page. We will put it right here. Just use the text block and paste it here. Save changes. Move it down. If using classic WordPress editor, you do pretty much the same thing. You just paste it where you need it. Okay, let's update. And let's take a look. Okay, we got the form. We need to center the text and make it bigger, I think. So go to edit. And try to find the alignment, center. Let's make it bigger, showing the webinar. Also, I want to tweak the form a little bit. Let's make it bigger. Let's make the send button aligned to the right. So go to form. Input height, let's put at least 40. Button will become 40 pixels tall as well. Let's align the button to the right. Let's change the text. Join update. Refresh. It's wrong because I didn't refresh the page, I suppose. Update the page. Refresh the page. Okay. We need some spacing here, obviously. So let's do that. You can specify line height and it will be fine. Visual Composer is slow sometimes, actually very often, but bear with me. Okay, so we have the basic sign-up form. Of course, you would have some more text here, but we got the form. We got these mistakes with the error text working, and we got the sign-up process working. Now, what can we do now? Let's also add the effect of limited spaces and the spaces running out. Create again that scarcity effect, which improves the conversion. So let's head over to Countdown Pro and let's add the countdown. So it will be our amount-based countdown. Let's say we have 1,000 spaces. The end number, in this case, I don't want the form to disappear. We will just have an ending number at 2, for example. And also let's create the effect of randomness. And you could specify things like 0.5 seconds, 0.1, so it will go faster. And the maximum will be 3 seconds, for example. Then randomize the amounts. Minimum is 1 and maximum is, I don't know, 4. We don't need the triggers in this case. And then let's work with the styling. It's when you can, it's good to add the background to the countdown and something red, of course. That attracts attention. So select red here. Don't forget to pull up the opacity. Digits will be white. We don't need the delimiter or anything. And we just need to specify the size. Say 40 should be fine. And let's save. And now we need to paste this, of course, to our form. So, I mean, to our landing page. So let's go ahead and we can actually paste it right here. And we can say spaces are limited. Spaces left. This amount. Save changes. Update. And let's take a look. Okay, we also need to center it. Let's go back here. Let's select and center. And let's make the text white so that it stands out against our background. Save changes, update. And refresh. Here we go. We got the form set up. It's ready to go.